How to use chat to edit in OpenArt AI. So let's go to image, then go to chat to edit. First of all, make sure you select the model that is right for you. Over here at the top, you can see it has Flux, ChatGPT, Gemini, and more. I'm gonna pick Cdream 4 because I really like it. Here you'll see this big square and a chat at the bottom. It says tell me your edit request. So all you need to do is upload an image. So I'm gonna click here upload image. And I'm gonna pick a random image. Let's say I'm gonna pick this one. I'm gonna select the image and then I'm gonna write something that I want the AI to generate. So let's say we wanna add sunglasses. All you need to do is come to the chat and write add sunglasses. And then click send message. Now you'll see it in the chat, your message, and the AI will think and will generate an image. As you can see, it finished generated and added the sunglasses. So you can click on your previous image and you can click on the new image. You can add more, you can say add a necklace. Then go to the send message, click it and wait. Now you can see it added a necklace. Let's go to the previous image. Let's go to the new image. Of course, it's gonna change some of the image because over here you can see some of her shoulder bones and here you don't see them. Can we change the color of her hair? Let's see. Change the color of the hair to black. Let's send the message and just wait. As you can see, it didn't really do a good job, but you can try again. But I think we did too much with the image. If we go to the first one and then try it again. So let's copy this one and add it here and send the message. Damn, that did a really good job. So as you can see, this is how you use the chat to edit. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a like and thank you for watching.